everything changes. No one will stop me.
The magic was breaking! Oh no, the chicks! Hold tight! Faster, faster!
Something sneaky is happening at Old MacDonald's farm. Tonight, everything changes. No one will stop me.
He brought a glowing magical rope.
The magical rope spun faster and faster. Goodbye, peaceful farm.
And then he threw it. Help, Mr.
You're coming with me!
Leave them alone! I said leave them!
Now no one can save you.
I'm scared.
This magical rope obeys only me. Not for long. I must be brave. Look up, I have an idea. I trust you. So this farm will belong to me. Leo moved very carefully. What was that? I'm here, friends.
Now! What? The magic was breaking! Together! This isn't over!
The fox could pull the rope again and take everything. Or he could let go.
Mr. Fox, why are you doing this?
Son, stealing won't fill your heart. If you need help, you can ask. I didn't think anyone would care. And in that moment, he made a choice. I'm sorry. Thank you for letting me go. You can stay if you promise no more tricks. You trust me? Everyone deserves a second chance. How about you help us on the farm instead? I'd like that. Sometimes the greatest treasure is belonging.
Beautiful day for a stroll, eh?
It sure is, partner.
Whee, this is fun!
Glad you're enjoying it.
Stop! That's my hay! Finders keepers! Whoa, a fight! Get back here! Too slow!
The next day, the farm was awake and brighter than ever.
Let's make this the best day ever! Careful now, drive slowly.
Okay. I'll try.
Faster, faster! Hold on tight! Oh no, the chicks!
Quick, save them!
And with quick thinking, the day was saved.
You did it, Fox! Excellent work, keep going! I love helping! That's the spirit!
Whee, look at me!
Careful up there. Careful up there. We need to fix this before the animals get out. Good thinking.
Careful, plants need just the right amount.
Got it.
Even chores could be an adventure.
Watch out for the puddle! Whoa, that's a big splash!
Adventure awaits. Don't worry, little friends.
We've got you!
Last one to the barn is a slowpoke.
Not if I drive faster. Great teamwork. We make a good team.
Careful, slippery.
Hold tight.
Even harvest could be a joyful adventure.
This is fun.
This is fun!
Good work, team!
Faster, faster! Try to keep up! Whoa, watch out! Got it! Teamwork always wins! We did it! The farm was safe, happy, and full of friends.
Friends help each other.
You're right, Fox.
Let's go! What a great day.
Did you have fun today? Join WellSon Kids for more amazing farm adventures.
Subscribe! Click here to watch the next adventure, and don't forget to subscribe to WellSon Kids for fun every day.
See you soon, friends.